Hey guys, Gretchen's Bakery back with another really quick video because fall is rolling in like a freight train and we need apple cider donuts in our life. These guilt-free baked donuts are spiked up with apple cider and then cinnamon sugared to perfection. They are so easy to make, so let's get right to it because you are not going to want to wait another day without having these in your life. First and foremost, you are going to need apple cider, flour, plant milk, brown sugar, flax meal for the egg replacer, salt, baking soda, and the fall spices are cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and a pinch of cardamom. Vegan butter or coconut oil is fine to use too, and vanilla extract. So the first thing you are going to do is get the apple cider concentrated down by bringing it up to a boil and then reducing the heat, and you're going to let it go on a low boil for just about 25 minutes. Now I've started with 1.5 cups of apple cider, and after about 25 minutes you should get it down to about 1 cup. Now I am going to take 3 tablespoons of that apple cider and add it to the flax meal to thicken, and then 1/2 cup goes into the donut batter, and then the other 1/2 cup is reserved for later, so just set that aside. First I am combining the brown sugar and the spices and the baking soda and salt together in a bowl, and I'm using a sieve to kind of sift that through because sometimes brown sugar likes to get all clumpy, and this way the spices also get distributed through evenly. Now I'm adding the flour and then all the wet ingredients, the plant milk, apple cider, melted vegan butter or coconut oil, and the vanilla extract. Whisk it all to a smooth batter, and that's really how easy it is. Now pipe that batter into lightly greased donut pans, filling them almost to the top. Bake them in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for just about 12 to 15 minutes. They really bake up fast. Cool them slightly and then flip them out, and once I was able to grab them without the risk of them breaking apart, I dip them really conservatively into the remaining apple cider. Not so much that they are sopping wet, just a little dip on each side, and this also helps the cinnamon sugar to stick onto the outsides. And well, that's it. There's really not much to it. This is such an easy one bowl mix, and you are eating fall in less than an hour. I do recommend to double this recipe though, because this recipe only makes 9 and these babies go really fast. So go ahead and grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com, and while you're there, be sure to check out all my other donut recipes that I already have. Also, stay tuned for another donut recipe that I have coming in a few days. Chocolate caramel turtle donuts. Oh man, these things are dangerous. Wait until you see these. So yeah, I definitely have donuts on the brain lately, and I am getting good use out of my donut pan for sure. They are just so easy to make and so good to eat, so why not? Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.